The no signal error on your Sceptre monitor means it's not receiving video data from your connected device. This happens due to connection problems, misconfigured input sources, or hardware issues. First, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Loose connections are the most common cause of this issue. Try different cables like HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA to rule out cable defects. Test these cables with other devices if possible to confirm they work properly. Next, use the monitor's physical buttons to cycle through the input sources. Make sure the monitor input matches the port you're using on your device. Finally, power cycle both the monitor and connected device. Turn them off, unplug them for 30 seconds, then reconnect and power them back on, starting with the monitor first. These immediate troubleshooting steps resolve most no-signal issues. Check connections, test cables, verify input sources, and power cycle your devices. This systematic approach will quickly identify and fix the most common problems. When basic troubleshooting fails, the next step is addressing graphics driver issues. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of persistent no-signal problems. Access Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics driver, and select Uninstall Device. After restarting, Windows will automatically reinstall the driver, often resolving compatibility issues. If driver reinstallation doesn't work, boot into Safe Mode to adjust display settings. This bypasses potential software conflicts and allows you to configure basic display parameters. Start with basic settings. Set resolution to 1024 by 768 and refresh rate to 60 Hz. Once the monitor displays properly, gradually increase these settings to find the optimal configuration your hardware supports. Modern connectivity brings new challenges. USB-C connections with newer laptops often require specific adapters and drivers, while 4K displays demand high-quality cables and compatible ports. For USB-C connections, verify your laptop supports video output and use certified adapters. For 4K displays, ensure both your HDMI cable and ports support the required bandwidth, typically HDMI 2.0 or higher. Prevention is the best solution. Regular maintenance and quality cables prevent most recurring issues. Monthly cable inspections and quarterly driver updates keep your setup running smoothly. Inspect cables monthly for physical damage like bent connectors or frayed wires. Use certified HDMI 2.0 or higher cables for 4K displays, and avoid excessively long cables that can cause signal degradation. Keep a record of working display configurations for quick restoration if issues occur. Quality cables and regular maintenance will save you time and frustration in the long run.